Oh, it's so nice to see you. Hi. Oh my God, it's so great to see you. Hi.
Tästä visu che jää.
Behind everybody was they felt like they are very important in this class, and every question you considered like a very important question and you answered very seriously, and you make the class the way that everybody felt like they can do discovery in the English language. So that's a fantastic skills of professor that we went very deep in this language, in every part of the grammar. I was really surprised because I was a teacher and I met a lot of professors, but I never met a person like you. A lot of love in your heart coming from, and you made this class together with love. And we feel this love toward each other, but it's coming from you because you saw an importance of each personality. So you open our eyes to see everyone's personality, beauty, and I was surprised and I started to love each person in this class, and like my brother, like my sister. And I don't want to lose this class. I was following which class they are going because I was feeling that I'm gonna lose them. And it was so hard to me that this class is gonna finish. And I felt that I started to be connected with each person in this class. It's because of you, Miss Shelley. You are very wonderful person, and very big love coming from you, and unite everybody together here.
Thank you.
Very much. I'm so touched and wonder. This feeling of wonder started to burn in me. It was sleeping in me, and I started to wonder, wow, every day I'm learning. I learned a lot from teaching skills from you than whole in my life, really. Every day I'm learning from you, not only English, but be a person, a lovely person. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh, what a wonderful.
Since it's been here, Little darling, I see the ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun. Hey, here comes the sun. And I said, it's alright. Little darling, the smile's returning to the faces. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun. Oh, here comes the sun. And I said, it's alright. $400 going once, do I hear five? $400 going twice. $500 going once, do I hear six? $600 going once. $600 going twice. $700 eight. $800 nine. $900 1,000. No, you don't have 1,000. Okay, $900 going once. 1,000. $1,100 going once. $1,200 going once.
Here.
12.
Here.
1,300 going once. Do I hear 14? 15. 1,500. 16. $1,600. $1,600 going once.
16 with him too.
16. Oh! Thank you to Guyana for setting up our telegram, which I was afraid of. But she set it up, and now I see it's like WhatsApp. So I want to say thank you to Guyana for organizing us outside of Canvas for students who can. Yeah, so you two of my classroom helpers, and I appreciate you guys. Sometimes trouble, but man comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. In my hour of darkness, she's standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When all the broken-hearted people living in the world are free, there will be an answer, let it be. And though they may be parted, there's still a chance that they will see. There will be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Wake up to the sound of music, Mother Mary calls to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. When the night is cloudy, there is still a light that shines on me. There will be an answer, let it be, let it be, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, oh let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be.
Beautiful day.
Oh yeah.
I hope Loli can you enjoy this day with my teacher. She's my best friend, my best teacher. I don't know, there too. Thank you for coming this morning and made this day happy. Thank you, holiday. Woo! Can you enjoy? Everyone, enjoy too much. Be happy all time. My God bless you all time. Thank you. One more time, everyone.
1, 2, jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. Now attention, we are going forward. 1,
Just hand,
jump.
2, and 3.
Jump, jump.
1, 2, 3.
Jump, jump.
Very good.
1,
Oh,
jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump,
That.
1, 2, jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. The last time. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. Now, attention. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. 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 Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. 1,
Hello. If you want, no, only one, only one.
1, 2,
Exactly.
jump, jump, jump. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump.
Right? No. Mine.
Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. 1, 2,
Imagine there's no countries